best way to establish a good credit history would first be to have a good financial history by opening a checking or savings account with Franklin Mint Federal Credit Union or any other financial institution. You want to have a healthy mix of credit, not just credit cards. You want installment loans, an auto loan, a mortgage. You want to pay all your creditors on time, and you don't want to max out your credit cards. So you do want to stay 50% below your limits. The common mistakes that affect a credit score are closing out credit cards that you've had for a long time. I know some people want to get rid of their credit cards and their debts. Closing them out if you've had them for a long time, that'll drop your score. Applying for a lot of credit at one time also affects your credit score. If you're shopping in the mall, you go to the stores and they'll ask you, do you want a discount by opening a credit card? So you say yes, but every time someone applies for credit, that's an inquiry on your credit report, and that brings your score down. You want to establish a credit history. So if you go in and open a card and then just close it, then, maybe to a creditor, that may not look that great because, it's a matter of control. Payment history, that makes up 35% of your credit score. That includes, how you make your payments, how much credit you have. How much you owe is 30% of your credit score. If you have 5 credit cards with a balance of, or a limit of $1,000 each, that's $5,000 as your availability. So how much you owe on that makes up 30% of your score. The length of your credit history is 15% of your score. 10% is new credit, and other factors is another 10%. Student loans appear on your credit report when you apply for student loans. It is a process, so however you apply, if it's by yourself, if it's joint or with a co-signer, everyone's going to get reported to the credit bureau. Once that loan is dispersed to your school, it's on your credit report. It may be in deferment, but it does show on your credit report. Checking your credit history does not affect your credit score. You as a consumer going to the credit bureau to get your credit information has no impact on your credit score.